Slav Galiavalan Irojem Dkhwazen Navin Mehan name of the months ببینن. Hello friends, today we want to see name of the months. Navin Mehan. Okay. Rebendan January Rebendan. Sabat February. Sabat. Adar March. The important thing in Adar is 21 March, which is Nowruz. It is New Year. Nisan April. Gulan May. Haziran or Pushper June. If you are memorizing, I think you should choose one of them, or you can see both of them on the files actually. But Haziran I think is most used, maybe. I'm not sure, but I think always I saw this one. Okay. Temmuz Tirmeh July. For this Tirmeh is I saw the Tirmeh more, but also you can memorize this. Temmuz Tirmeh July. Tabakh Galawesh August. Tabakh is most used one, August. Galawesh is also August. Razber Ilon Eylül September. Razber Ilon Eylül, all of them are same. Razber Ilon Eylül. I saw Ilon more times, and you can just remember, memorize that. Is easier to memorize this one. Ilon is September. And Kevcher, Chirya Peshin, Chirya Yakam, Chirya Avli. So this one I would recommend you to simply say Kevcher. I think there was not another one. So Kevcher, Chirya Peshin, Chirya Yakam, Chirya Avli. Those are not, but Kevcher is the month. You can simply memorize this Kevcher. So this is Mijdar, Chirya Pashin, Chirya Pashi. Okay. Chirya Duye or Mijdar, November, Mijdar. And Berfanbar, December. Chardem Salen Saleh, the fourth season of the year. There are 4 seasons and 4 seasons of the year. And let's see, Bahar is spring, Bahar. Havin, summer. Pais, autumn, Pais. Zivistan, winter. Adar, Nisan, Gulan. Mehen, Demsala, Baharine. Adar, March, April, May are the months that is belong to spring. March, April are the name of the spring season. Yeah. Pushper, Tirmeh, Tabakh, Havine. Pushper, June, July, August. Havine is summer. They are summer. So we assign each picture for each object for each month. Razber Kevcher Sermavaz Mehen Paizine. Sermavaz Mehen Paizine. September, October, November are the month of the autumn. Did I say Sermavaz when I said it? I want to just see. Okay, November. Sermavaz is also November. Sermavaz. Yeah. Sermavaz Mijdar. I said only Mijdar, but Sermavaz is also. So it's S was written in it actually, but simply I deleted that. Let's look at next one. Okay. Razber, Kevcher, Sermavaz, Mehen Paizine. Sermavaz, Mehen Paizine. They are the month of Pais, which is autumn. And let's see. Mehen Demsala Zivistani, Berfanbar, Rebendan, Urashemine. Actually, the Rashami was used in the document, but it is Sabat because I didn't see we use a Rashami. Maybe it's used in some other places, but we didn't. I didn't see we are using that. Generally, we say Sabat. Sabat. So Berfanbar, December, Rebendan, January, and February, Sabat. So here you go. جلالت علی بدرخان ده 26 نیسان 1893 ده هاتیه دنیای. So even in here we are learning how to use these in sentences when you want to say somebody born in that time, that month. You just like this. جلالت علی بدرخان ده 26 نیسان 26 نیسان 1893 هاتی دنیای. So when if I simply copy this and I paste in here 26 نیسان 1930. So simply if we think about this one, we can change from here. For example, if you want to say in this format after this one to say this is belong to Nissan, you should put a in here. So this one is not always a. Sometimes it changes according to the way you read this. And Nissan is belong to this one. So you can just simply think like this. Hazarness. So this is Hazarness. So this doesn't make it plural. It is the year that when we say that. Let's say write some examples. Yeke. You can write like this, which much better. Yeke Gulana 1998. Yeke Gulana 1998. We can write like this, you see. Yeke Gulana Dudiye Gulana Siye Chare Penje Sheshe Hafte Hashte Nehe De Yazde 15 16 14 15 16 16 17 18 19 20. So always we say something and a the month and then this letter Gulana. Okay, let's not use a here. What should I say? Tabakhi. Okay. Bistu sesiye. E Tabakha 1998. So still we use this one in here. So you see, when you want to say in this format, you simply can say the day and the month and the year, and on we can put in here. It depends on the sentence actually. For example, in here we are saying Jalal Barkhan born in this time, so you could say Yeke Gulane Hazar Hishtan de. Okay, after this we use de. I don't know if you saw in our previous video de. Actually this will be between de like this, de, and you put everything between in here. And let's continue. Havin b'mea pushpere despedke. Havin b'mea pushpere despedke. Summer starts with the month of the June. Havin b'mea. Havin b with meha month pushpere June despedke starts. Zivstane b'taybati meha rebendane Kurdistan persare. In winter, especially in the month of January, Kurdistan is very cold. بتايبتي, so this is especially. The سال كده 12 مه هنه. There are 12 12 مه هنه. There are 12 months in a year. The سال كده in a year 12 مه month هنه. There are 12 months in the year. Okay, and that's it. And thank you so much to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and let's end the video.